Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp application and then you have to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then click on settings. After this, you have to tap on chats and then scroll down and you can see the option chat backup here. Click on it. Then if you want to backup your videos, you can also toggle on this option and make sure that you have toggle on this backup using cellular data on, and then you have to select your Google account here and you can choose any Google account whatever you want like this, and then you can see the option backup to Google Drive. If you click on it, you can choose any option here like never, daily, weekly, or only when I tap backup. So choose any option you want, and then after this you have to tap on this backup option, and if you want daily backup then you have to tap on this daily. After all these settings, what you have to do is you just simply tap on this backup and you can see that our backup is loading, and now you can see our backup is complete. So if we go back, and now what you have to do is you have to uninstall your WhatsApp. So click on uninstall, tap on OK, and after uninstalling, just go to your Play Store and now you have to download it again. Just click on install and wait for it to download. And after the installation process, we just simply tap on open, and you have to go for same process like agree and continue, and you have to add your number here and click on next. Click on OK. So WhatsApp will send you OTP. You have to enter your OTP here, and after this click on continue, click on allow, and you can see the option looking for backups. So if you made some backup, it will automatically look and found, and then simply just tap on restore, so it will restore your all backup. So you can see backup found and it's completed. Click on next. Okay, so this is how you can backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.